Hello traders, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can actually grow a 0.96 USD account while trading rise and fall on Deriv. Alright, I'll be showing you how you can actually do it, because I've seen a lot of people asking me, how do I do it? How do I do it? This is how you do it, okay? And as we start, if you're not subscribed, ensure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever we upload new videos, alright? Now, I've already analyzed my market. As you can see, I've already put in the indicators that I'm using. These indicators are these indicators will be guiding me on where to go, alright? But guys, don't rely on indicators. Only use them as a confirmation. Once you've analyzed the market using your strategy, you just come and use them as a confirmation, all right? So as you can see, I've currently determined the market is moving down. So all that I'm waiting for is a complete candlestick to form, and then I start, okay? As you can see right here, it is moving up and down, up and down. So what you'll wait for is a complete candlestick to start forming like this. So as you can see right now, it's a red candlestick that's about to form, so we'll take advantage of that. So we be patient with it and then we move. So as you can see, so what we'll do is wait and wait. So this is a trick to actually grow it eventually. So I'll be showing you two tricks. So let me start with this one. So I'll just come here, I'll put 1 minute and then I'll put fall. Okay, as you can see, I've staked the entire account. Again, this is very risky. Ensure you use a stake that you can afford to lose. So if you can afford to lose the entire account, once you blow it, use it. If you cannot, so what you do is once you start experiencing any type of profit, you close. Don't wait, close. So as you can see, I've taken my profit of 0.48 before even the time period has finished. All right. This what this prevents is it prevents what can I say, the market working against you. You actually work against the market. What do I mean now? Every time you put a trade and let's say you put a time period of 1 minute, before that 1 minute ends, the market might change and might encounter a loss. But if you close your trade once you start encountering profits, you do that severally, you'll end up with a very good profit amount. All right? Yeah. So in this video, I'll be using my whole account to stake, as I've said, which is very dangerous. So ensure you are very careful when using this strategy. All right? So again, let us wait and see if the market will continue to fall, and then we enter the market. Okay, as you can see the market is really moving down today. It's moving in a downward direction, so we'll wait for it. And once you see the market is starting to work against you, again, close before you encounter your loss. All right. So as you can see right now, in profits, we're in profits, in a loss again. We close. As you can see right now, we have taken a profit of 0.50 without waiting for the market to close. All right, for the time period to close. All right. Again, as I've said, when you're trading rise and fall, flow with the market. When the market moves up, you move up with it. When the market moves down, you move down with it. Don't do a lot of analysis or a lot of projection like what you do in Forex. Never treat volatilities like Forex. You'll end up encountering losses. Okay. So this is what we'll be doing severally. This is actually a good way to actually trade rise and fall. That is why I say rise and fall is very nice, especially if you have a small account. Okay. It's very nice. So again, as you can see, the market is moving up. Again, we move up with it. When the market moves down, you move down with it. So we'll wait and see if the market surely wants to move up or if it wants to go down and it's just tricking us. Okay, so we wait and see how the market is behaving. Let us see. So the candlestick is moving up, okay, which is very nice for us. So, but we have to be patient, okay? If you go in a rush, you might end up. So as you can see, the market is forming the second green candlestick. So we'll wait to see if it's a green one or a red one before you execute. So as you can see, it's starting to form a green and then it's going to red. So we wait and see. Let us see. Okay, it's a red one. It's a red one. Okay. So let us give it a moment. So, okay, it's a red one. So again, you just be patient and then you close immediately. We encounter a good profit. Okay. So we wait, we close. Okay, we'll not close it right there because the market is, okay, so just be patient again, and then boom, okay? It's not a good profit, but again, it's a profit. So remember, this account was 0.96. Right now, we are at 2.05. Again, not bad, right? So I'm moving step by step. So ensure use the stake that you can afford to lose, okay? Right now I'm using a small stake, that is why I'm risking it, but be careful. So again, we'll wait to see if it will confirm for us before we place our trade. So, okay, Sarah, fall one. So we wait, and then we close immediately. We encounter any profit, we close. All right, you have to be very careful, very smart, very intelligent, so that you will not end up blowing your account. So Okay, anytime you try to sell, okay, let's sell here. Okay, you have encountered a 0.32 profit. As you can see, right now you're at 2.37 from 0.96. Okay, we are moving in a step-by-step manner. This is how actually you can grow your small account using rise and fall. So I'll come here, put 2.37. All right, slowly. All right, there is no rush whatsoever. Okay, so again, we are here. So we'll wait for the market to either tell us if it is moving up or down. So right now the candlestick is going up. Okay, for the time frame, you can use 1 minute or longer. It depends on whatever you want. Okay, it depends on your preference. So the market is starting to fall, but again, we give it a moment. All right, because we don't want to enter a false trade. A false trade is basically whereby the market seems to move down and then suddenly it moves up, or it seems to move up and then it suddenly moves down. All right, so we wait to see if the market is really moving down. So we wait, and let's see. Let's see. It seems to move. Okay, let us give it a moment. Now, this is where you have to actually be patient. If you end up forcing, let's say in this situation, you might end up really paying up for it. Okay, so you really have to be patient as a trader. That is why I'm making this video. This is a raw and cut video. I've not edited anything. I want to show you the whole process. All right, so that you see how it goes. So let us see. It seems to move down. Okay, all projections are that it will move down. So let us wait for now for this second candlestick. It will be a confirmation if the market will move down or up. So it is moving up. So you have to be patient and ensure you have a good rise and fall strategy. Luckily for you, I've made 2 rise and fall strategy videos. Please go and check it out so that you can be able to understand how I've been able to come to this market and how I'm doing it. Okay. So as you can see, the market is moving up. Okay. But it seems to move up and then retracting downward. It moves up. So the market really wants to go down. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. So we'll take advantage of this point. So we'll be patient and then we close. As you can see, 0.54. Currently, we are at 2.91. We move in a step-by-step manner. Remember, we started at 0.96. So we move in a step-by-step manner. All right, so we wait again. All right, we wait. Okay, so this is why we are closing. As you can see, the market was moving down and then now it's suddenly moving up. So if we would have waited for the entire 1 minute to end, we would have encountered a loss. But once you immediately encounter good profit and you close immediately, you end up picking your profits and leaving the market. Okay, so you have to be very clever when you're trading rise and fall. Okay, to not actually blow your account. Okay, as you can see right now, the market was moving up. So let us see if it will move down or it will continue moving up. Okay, so you have to be very patient and very clever with it. So as you can see, the market is starting to move down. It's moving down. So let's wait and see. Let us wait. So we'll put there. We close. Again, a 0.45 profit. Okay? Step by step, guys. Step by step. Don't be in a rush. Be patient. Be calm as you take your profits. So we go to 3.36. Okay? This is realistic. I want to grow this account from 0 to 1,000 to 2,000. No. That is purely editing. I'll show you how you can actually grow it from 0.9 to something of substance. Okay? So currently we are at 3.36. All right? So the market is moving up. Okay? Again, we be patient with it. Okay? So as to be able to see how it will behave. Okay? In the market, you can be able to take advantage. Each candlestick is an opportunity for you to earn. Each and single candlestick. So you have to be very patient. I repeat this and I repeat it again. Be very patient, okay? So let us wait for this one to be able to see how it goes. Let us see. This I'm trading manually so as to show you. Let's say you don't have anything, you just have your small account. This actually you can grow it. So we wait and see if it will retract back to a red candlestick or it will proceed moving in a green one. Let us see. So currently it is moving up, which is very nice. Okay, but you have again, all right? So the second one is a green one. So you wait to see if it will proceed being a green one or it will retract to be a red one. To be a red candlestick, sorry. So we wait and look at it and wait and see. Let us see. All right, as you can see, it is retracting. So we wait and see if it will continue proceeding to be a red candlestick or it will continue to be a green one. So we wait and see, All right, always be prepared. All right, so as you can see, it is not okay. It has started going down. Okay, it is moving up. So we wait for it to at least be a red one before we put in our trade. So it is going down. Okay, so we put there, fall, and proceed to it. Okay. The market did not move. So we close right here. Okay, as you can see, a $0.32 profit. Okay, currently we are at 3.68. Remember, we started from 0.96. We are growing it slowly and realistically in a way that you can be able to be consistent overall. So we wait for another opportunity. As you can see now, the opportunities are there. So we wait and look at it. Okay, so let us be patient with it. So let us see how it will go here. So currently the market is forming a red candlestick. I hope it will continue moving downwards in that direction. So we wait. Okay, it is moving up, down. So we wait for it to at least form a good red candlestick before we proceed. So it is a red one. It's a red one. Okay, as you can see, it is not sure where to go. So we be patient with it. Okay, because you might end up putting a trade here and then the market overlaps or goes in the opposite direction. Okay, as you can see, these are very bad candlestick. Okay, it can really trick you and make you end up with a loss. So we wait and look at this. So as you can see, it is rising, it is rising, it is rising and rising and rising and rising. Okay, so we just wait for it to at least go down. Okay, because as you can see, the indications currently are that the market will go down. All right, but again, patience really pays in trading. Okay, you have to be patient, and that is why I'm making this video for you, so that you can be able to see every single step, every single decision making, how you're supposed to talk to yourself in trading and so on. Okay, and please guys, if you're watching this currently, please ensure you subscribe. I really appreciate, so that you can be able to reach out to more traders and make a very good, strong, Deriv profitable community. Okay, so currently the market has an upward direction, but as you can see, it really wants to go down. So we just give it a moment before we place our trade. All right. Okay, so the second one is a green one. Okay, and it is really moving up. Okay, so as you can see, it has started to fall and it rise at the same time. So we be patient and see if it will really fall, or it is really tricking us. Okay, so let us see. Okay, now this is the difference between using a bot and manual. Whenever you're using manual trading, you have to be really careful on how you do it. And trading is not easy as how many people make it seem, whereby they just go and just put a bot and run it. No, you really have to do a lot of careful analysis. So as you can see, it is going down. So we take an opportunity of that. We have placed our trade. So we wait. Close. No waiting. 0.45 in the bag. So currently we are 4.13 from 0.96. And you have grown this account in a step-by-step manner. Okay? Sorry, guys. So, yeah. So, we are really moving well. So, let us proceed. Okay? We are really growing this account carefully. Okay? As you can see, even though we are staking the whole account, which is a very dangerous move, we are really growing it in a slow and careful manner. So currently the market seems to go in a downward direction, but again, we'll give it a moment so that it might not end up reversing on us. Okay, so we wait on it and see how it goes. Okay, so as you can see, this is what it does, man. So if you don't be patient with it, or if you don't give it a lot of some time to adjust itself, you might end up actually encountering a loss in the process. So as you can see, the market is moving down, so you might take advantage of that, and then you close immediately. All right, so we wait, and then we close very fast. Guys, we are currently at 5.43 USD. Okay, now you have started to grow it to a substantial amount. We started at 0.96, which is less than $1, which for most individuals will be like, this is a very small account. I cannot be able to grow it to anything substantial. Okay, so this is what actually happens once you know a good strategy and you be very careful whenever you're growing that account. So I might end the video here for a part 2, but let us see if we can be able to execute another trade. And guys, please ensure you subscribe before you continue, so that you can be able to make more of this, and so that you will not be able to miss out whenever we upload these amazing videos. Okay, and that is how you have been able to grow from 0.96 to 5. Okay, so I'll try to grow to do a couple more runs and see if we can at least make it reach to a good amount. Okay, again, we are very careful on how we executing this market. Okay, we don't want to mess up. So as you can see, the market is really moving down. So let us see, let us be patient with this red one, so that we see if it will proceed. Yeah, and it is moving down. So we be patient and just wait for the good opportunity or the perfect opportunity before we close our trade. Okay, close. We have made 0.50. Currently you're at 5.93 USD. Okay, so I'll come here and then change it to 5.93. Okay, even though we are staking the entire account, we are really doing it in a very careful manner. Okay, as you can see, it is still moving down, so we'll give it a moment to see if it will continue moving the downward direction before we proceed. So currently, it seems to want to move in the upward, but it's continuing to move it downwardly. So let us wait and see. Let us wait and see how it moves. So okay, as you can see, it is not sure whether to move down. Okay, let us wait. Okay, that's okay. As you can see, now the market is starting to move up, but again, give it some time. You don't want to end at an upward trade here or a rise trade here, and then the market proceeds to reverse on you. Okay, that is something that you don't want to encounter, which is very bad. So we wait. Okay, all right, so this candlestick is what will determine if the market will go up or down. So currently it seems to be green, red, green, red, green, red. So you wait for a final one, and then the final one is what will determine if we continue with it. Okay, so it is a fall. So you be very careful, be very quick. Okay, this one you have to be patient with it, so as to be able to see if you can actually make a good profit. So I've been able to reload so that you can be able to look at it more carefully. Okay, yeah, so 5 seconds away from making our profit, guys. Boom, 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 boom. So guys, you're at 11.58 from 0.96. And that is how you can actually grow a very small account. I know it is very risky. It has seemed very risky the way I've grown it from 0.96, but once you do it in a strategic manner, you can be able to grow. And that is how you grow a small account. You don't be afraid, all right? Don't be afraid to risk. You have to actually risk to make something, okay? So that is why usually here, once you, no risk, no earning. So you actually have to risk, be very careful on how you grow it, and be very vigilant on how the market is moving. And for anyone who wants to understand the strategy that I've used, please ensure you go and check out my video on Rise and Fall. I'll put it in the link in the description so that you can be able to understand how this works and how you can actually use it to your advantage. But apart from that, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. It has been a very long video, but I've loved you being here until the end. Online classes are available if you're interested. So if you're interested, ensure you WhatsApp me. I'll be here to guide you all the way through. But apart from that, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. Keep trading, guys, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.